Okay, so we have a wireless weather sensor here and a weather station. A couple of things when you first get it, it's going to have a nice protective film on it. You're going to want to take that film off before use. And then with this is the outdoor sensor. You're going to want to make sure you install the batteries. It comes with batteries. It's just 2 AA batteries, and they just slip into the back like this. And then the cover slips back on, and it will immediately start picking up on the temperature, the humidity, and start trying to transmit. After you've done that, then you are good to plug in the unit. And it's just got a plug right here. And as soon as that plugs in, if I can push it in all the way, we'll see how some of this works. The weather station also has 3 AAA batteries that can go in the back for a battery backup to make sure that if the power goes out, you don't lose all your settings that you have set in this, like the air pressure and the date and the time and stuff. Okay, so when the unit first turns on, it's going to look something like this. This is essentially the air pressure setup stuff, and I'm going to leave it in the HG mode. So I'm going to go to the next, and then you can see the air pressure starts flashing. I looked up the value where we are, and it is 30.07. So I'm going to change that and then push the snooze light button to confirm. And today we were sunny with clouds, so I'm just going to leave that one there. And then that completes the air pressure setup. So for all the settings, I was using the snooze to confirm and then just up and down for making adjustments if need be. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take the sensor outside now while I finish doing the rest of the setup, which will be the time and date and all of that stuff. But we want to actually see this working, because you can see right now it says it's 72 right here. I'm going to take this outside so we can see what it really is outside. So one thing to keep in mind is when the unit is plugged into the power adapter, the screen will always be on and lit. If the power goes out, the backlight will turn off to conserve battery power. But when it's in the outlet, it's always on. So now we're going to go ahead and set up the day, time, month, all that stuff. So to do that, you press and hold the mode button, and then it's going to start going through some settings. And the first one here is whether we're on daylight savings time or not, and currently we are not, so I'm going to push mode to confirm. And then now we're setting the year. It is 2022 right now. The month is February. The day today is the 16th. And we're going to leave it on 12-hour time. So now we're going to set the time. And then push mode to continue. And then we want Fahrenheit for our temperature, and then one more time, and it is all set up. Okay, so one nice thing about it is you can see I'm all the way across the kitchen now, and I can still read that screen just fine. And as you can see, since we put that sensor outside, the temperature is slowly dropping to be what it is outside. It's going to continue for quite a while because it's fairly cold out there. So it's nice and easy to read even from a pretty good distance. So a couple of things about the weather station here. It has a forecast showing the current sky conditions right here. It also has a comfort icon here showing whether it's cold or hot or what you would want to wear outside. So this is the outdoor side and the indoor side, and then it's also got some alarms that you can do with it if need be, that you can set alarms. It's also showing temperature, whether it's increasing or decreasing. You can see inside is staying steady, outside is decreasing. This is a really nice unit. It's really handy. It's going to be very easy to look at a quick glance and see what the weather is like outside. And I'm looking looking forward to having this and using it daily. It's really nice. I love it.